initially shared by Kunle Afod, shows that flood has already taken over Pa James' house due to the recent heavy downpour. Sharing the picture, the father of four pleaded with Nigerians to lend their helping hands to support Pa James. Other celebrities joined him to solicit for help. Recall that Pa James had once been a victim of the flood in mid-2019. His son shared the terrible state of his dad's compound via social media.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.